These crepes, I'm telling you, they're amazing. They had strawberries and blueberries and chocolate.
I'm here at the Yaki Mix buffet here in the SM Mall of Dasmas. I'm going to show you what it's like to eat at a buffet here in the Philippines. There's a lot of Korean barbecue and sushi here, so I hope you enjoy it.
The buffet actually surprised me. I was not expecting so many good options to pick from. Of course, I had to start off with some salad. After that, I had to get some sushi. I mean, why not? It's amazing. You're crazy if you think it's not. One of the coolest things about the buffet that we actually went to is that they had a hot plate. So they actually let you get raw food and you could cook it at the table. Crepes, I'm telling you, they're amazing. They had strawberries and blueberries and chocolate.
Hope y'all liked the video. This was a sushi and Korean barbecue restaurant, or actually a buffet. The food was pretty amazing. If y'all get a chance, you should definitely come check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Peace out.